Salesforce Code Builder, a comprehensive Salesforce development environment. Salesforce Code Builder is an integrated development environment that merges the power of VS Code with the convenience of a web-based platform. This amazing tool provides everything you need for Salesforce development, including Salesforce extensions, org browser, SOCL Builder, and Salesforce CLI all in one place. With Code Builder, there's no need to install VS Code, Salesforce CLI, or any other required extensions on your device. Additionally, the web-based environment is accessible from any device with internet access, allowing for greater flexibility and convenience. Here are the steps you need to follow to get started with Code Builder. Enable the Code Builder feature, install the managed package, confirm the installation of the package, assign the permission set group to developer users, create a Code Builder environment, connect to a dev org or a sandbox org, confirm the connection to the environment, and then start developing. To use Code Builder, you must first enable the feature and install it as a managed package in an org that's either of Professional, Enterprise, or Unlimited Edition. To enable Code Builder, navigate to the Setup menu and search for Code Builder in the Quick Find box. Click on the Code Builder and accept the terms and conditions to activate the feature. Next, click on the Install Package button to install the package for all the users. The installation process may take some time, and you will receive an email notifications once it's complete. You can also confirm the installation status by checking the Installed Packages section in the Setup menu. Finally, assign the Code Builder group permission set group to your developer users. To do this, locate permission set group in the Setup menu and search for Code Builder group. Click on it and use the Manage Assignments button to assign users to the permission set group. Once that's done, you can now create your own Code Builder environment. Click the App Launcher and search for Code Builder Dashboard. Click the Launch button and be patient while the environment sets up. The screen will refresh automatically. After the environment has been set up, click on the Connect to Org button, select the environment type, and give it an alias. You will then be redirected to a new tab with an 8-digit code, which you don't need to worry about. Click Connect and enter the credentials and approve the access to the org. Return to the Code Builder page and confirm the org is connected by checking the footer. It must have the alias name of the connected org. Once you're connected, you can start using all the features as you would in VS Code, including updating the theme, installing extensions, using the org browser extension to retrieve the metadata, building queries and retrieving records with SOCL Builder, and using the SF or SFDX commands straight within the Code Builder. One important thing to note is that Code Builder auto-saves all changes made by you, so you don't need to worry about losing your work. It also remembers all the extensions you installed and other settings, even if you close the tab and relaunch the Code Builder. In the near future, Salesforce is planning to include Einstein for Developer extension as part of the Code Builder too. To know more on what Einstein for Developer is, head over to the link in the description or in the top right corner of this video. Overall, Code Builder is a great tool for time-efficient development within the Salesforce platform. This has been Code Builder in 100 seconds. I hope this was helpful in knowing how to install Code Builder and its features. If you want to see more content like this, do subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. I will see you in the next one. Until then, be safe and take care. Peace.